Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Butter Up. Today we're making our oatmeal milk and honey soap. Right now I'm just checking the degrees of my water lye solution and my oils, and they're around 83 to 84 degrees. Normally I would prefer them to be around like the early 90s, like 92, 93 degrees. Here I'm just combining my water lye solution and my oils, and I'm going to combine them to a very light trace because what a girl wants to swirl today. And the colors that we're going to be using today are some beautiful rich gold colors. So here I'm just going to separate, yeah, right? Separate. I don't know why I thought I said that wrong. Here we are separating my soap batter into two pitchers, very, very, very low amounts because I learned my lesson from the other videos. Yeah, so we're just separating a little bit of the soap batter into the two pitchers, and then the colors that we're using, the first one you see here is Goldfinger by Mad Mica, which is a beautiful, like, rich, warm tone gold. I would say almost like a bronze color, honestly. And then the second one here, you can see it on the side of the video. This one is called Sahara Desert, and I got it as a sample from Nurture Soap. So I'm just mixing those two, make sure the colors are rich. Can I say these two gold colors were the easiest to combine compared to the other ones that I had. As you guys see here, I have a little bit of the soap batter on the side, and that's because the mold that I'm using is upside down, and I wanted the bottom of the soap not to be the gold color, so we'll be adding that last after the main part of our soap. So here what I'm doing is I'm doing kind of what I believe this is called an in-pot swirl. You guys know I'm new to this, so if I'm saying things wrong, please make sure to let me know what the correct term is. But yeah, so what I'm doing is, like I said, an in-pot swirl, and I'm just putting them side to side because what I want after I finish pouring them in, I kind of wanted to do a in-swirl design with my skewer. It's definitely not a chopstick. We don't have chopsticks in this house. Yeah, none of us can use them. So I believe that's a wooden skewer, right? Yeah, so I'm just gonna take the wooden skewer, and I'm kind of gonna do like a zigzag kind of swirl. As you guys can see here, kind of looks marbly. No, that's not marbly. I don't know what you would call that. I was just playing around, testing out what it would look like once I poured it into the mold. So, you know, once I finish playing with this, I'm gonna take my mold that you'll see here in the next clip. This mold that I got was from Etsy. It's kind of like a honey mold, I believe. It has like bees, as you guys can see, the bees, and then it has like the honeycomb design. So I'm just pouring the soap batter into the mold, and then once I'm done, then I'm gonna take the remaining of the plain colored batter and I'm gonna pour it on top. So when I measured, let's be real here, I didn't measure. I used the measurements of the regular soap mold that I had for this one, not realizing that it was much smaller. I assumed it was the same because it fit in the wooden mold. This mold fit into the wooden mold, so I assumed it was all the same, and it really wasn't. Like, honestly, these soap bars are like, I would say 75% of the other soaps, so 25% less than my other soaps, which I was kind of disappointed in. But yeah, so here I'm just smoothing out the bottom part of the mold. It's not the top of the mold, it's the bottom of the mold. So I'm just, you know, flattening it out and cleaning it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let this soap sit for about 48 hours. And then I will come back and we will unmold it and see how it's going to look. I'm really excited to see how this is gonna look. It's definitely a different design than what I've done before. And the colors, I feel like, are much different, that you can really see how they really look. But yeah, so we'll be back. Okay, so we're gonna unmold our oatmeal milk and honey. This is actually not 48 hours later. This is 24, and this bad boy is hard as a rock. So let's see how we can take this out of the mold. Let's see. Oh, wait, hold on. Might be easier than what I thought. All right, I'm really nervous about how this is gonna look because I'm learning, you guys. This is my 4th soap that I'm making, and I wanted this to be more cream than the gold, but I added too much gold coloring instead of the white. So let's see. Let's unmold this bad boy. Oh God, is this hard? Wait, hold on a second. Hold up. Is it too soft? It don't appear to be. It's kind of soft. Not super soft. Oh, this is gonna be hard. One thing I get is so nervous unmolding these things. Oh, sugar, look at that on the side. Let me see if I can smooth that out. All right, you guys. Woo. Oh, no. Oh, I'm a little disappointed. Oh. Some of the bees didn't stick. There's one missing here, one missing here, one missing here. And as you guys can see, it's super soft. I might have to put this in another. I'm a little disappointed. Hold on. See if I can get it to stick because it's still soft. Oh, there's only one missing. Okay. 2 missing. All right, guys. So I managed to add the bees back. I feel like there's one missing here. But it's not because this one is stuck. I don't know. That was really hard to unmold that. Maybe because I did it too early. It was really hard at the bottom, but soft everywhere else. So I know just stick to what you know, the 48 hours, and then you unmold. But since we already unmolded, we're just going to go ahead and cut it. So let's see how it looks on the inside. On the outside, it seems fine. Ooh, before I do that, let's get the edges away. Let me pull it a little bit more. Okay. Clean edge off, kind of. Yeah, I definitely recommend doing this when it's not so soft. This is the first one. Oh, look how cute this is. This bar came out actually way better than I thought. Oh my God, this is so cute. Look at that. I gotta fix that. Oh my God, this is so cute. These are actually smaller than my other bars because this is a different kind of mold. I don't know if I'm gonna continue to use this mold. Honestly, I'm not that happy about it. But this is the first bar. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix that before I sell it. Trim it off once it gets hard. Oh my God, the drop swirl actually worked. I'm so excited. I'm a little annoyed that there's no B on this particular bar, but it's okay. Oh my God, look at the swirl, you guys. There's a fly in here. Why? You all should be dead. Look at the different color golds. You have the dark color gold. I forgot what it was called. And then we have the lighter gold and then the cream. That came out so cute. I'm definitely gonna keep the technique, but I don't, like I said, I'm not gonna use the mold again, but I will do the honeycomb at top. If I can find a B mold, that would be amazing. I should have made these a little thicker, but I'm not, since I already did it. We're not gonna do that. Bye, B. Here's another one. I have a light right here, like literally right here, and I turned it down, but it's still so bright. Let me see how I can do it where you guys can see it. There it goes. Don't worry, I'll take pictures. This cutter is so worth the money. I don't know how anybody cuts soap with the other one you get with those soap molds from Amazon. They are horrendous. Those are good for melt and pour, but anything else I wouldn't recommend those. Oh, these are so cute. It's gonna split right in between this damn bee. Six. Why that look crooked? I see what's going on. This thing is not tight. Loosen it up just a little. It's a little too tight. Okay. Ooh, these okay. I'm loving this technique. All right, let's see how this is gonna go. It's gonna split right in between. You know what? Is it stuck? It is. Okay, and this is the last piece. I'm just gonna cut the edge off, but I'm gonna keep it for myself. I'm not even gonna sell this. This isn't worth the money to be sold. Yeah, that's not working. Hold on. Oops. Okay, so these bars are gonna go on sale for Black Friday. They're not gonna be the same price as the other ones because these are much smaller. I am so excited about the swirl. It came out way better than I thought. When I was pouring it into the mold, I noticed I didn't see any of the white, so it was really concerning, but the white was actually in there. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys can see again, like the different gold. I got this idea from Royalty Soaps. I forgot her name. I can't believe I forgot Katie. I got that technique from her, and I'm so happy that it turned out well in this bar instead of my Moon Dust one. I tried to do that with that one too, but it's not as defined. Like you can really see the swirls here in this one and instead of that one. You guys, I'm really, really happy. But I'm going to clean these up once it gets hard so it can be a lot more presentable for you all. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, whether it be soaping, body butters, or whatever, just creating a recipe for you all, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.